What's up everyone, this is Super Flashlight, and I kinda had to take the garbage out today. Ooh, speaking of garbage, in today's or this week's episode, you're going to hear my reaction to NS Trash Trains. I never done the trash trains before, I have to go react to them right now. Hey, that's my first NS Trash Train, 63 feet. With my cousin Pierce and my friend Tristan. I'm sorry for getting interrupted by the horn. Look at you smile, Tristan. And look at all those trash containers. Those trash containers are amazing. On flatbeds are these trash containers with lids to protect all that smelly garbage from being flung out. And then the town won't be really stinky anymore. I mean, so that way the town isn't stinky or smelly. This will take longer, so I'm going to react to all of them right away. Okay, it's the next morning in August 2017. August 2017. So August 18th, my first trash train. On the 19th, another trash train. There it is. But it appears to be moving very slowly. And with 3 locomotives, or engines. You want to hear this? Well, here you go. Look at all those trash containers. Look at them all very short. But I think there's a longer one coming up. There they are, the longer ones. But now for the elephant style. Hey, there's Corbin and Matthew. This was from December 2nd. And what do you know? It's an elephant style. Early in the morning. Ooh, just smell all that garbage with all that frost. Phew. But still unique. How amazing and cool is that? All those trash containers? Man, they're blue in Pennsylvania. Fun fact, whenever I rail fan in Pennsylvania, the trash containers are blue-gray. That's amazing. And there's an eastbound trash train, right there in Hershey. I didn't get the engines leading. This was just after my birthday on the 28th. Wow, look at it heading east right by the Hershey factory. But I didn't get to record the engines. Sorry. At least I was on my way home. Hey, that's still pretty cool. Who cares? At least I had a good trip. Okay, it's over. There's another trash train on August 10th, 2018. 63 feet heads west. Oops, I forgot to tell you. The eastbound is 62 feet. Look at the trash train go through Cleona. Oh look, there's a UP leader. Oh my goodness. I remember catching a UP leading NS212 that met 63 feet. Intermodal meets trash. And once again, here you go. Intermodal meets trash. Sorry about that, I kinda got excited. The trash train will be over. If you can all turn up your volume, you can hear this. It's still pretty cool. I hit the jackpot. This made my trip. But I had to smell all that garbage in Anvil. Phew. That stinks. I want to get to the end of this trash train, but I don't think I'm not gonna have enough time though. Come on then, just come. The trash finishes first, and then 212. Alright, that's the end. Next one. Hey, I know this one from December 27th, my 19th birthday. It's 63 feet. And it has the barcode. And it has the barcode trailing. That's amazing. Early in the morning at sunrise, I caught the barcode. That's so amazing. At least I had something good on a trash train besides all these regular engines. What a birthday bash. Or should I say, what a birthday trash. Hey, another westbound trash train. Oh man, 2 westbound trash trains, this time in Lebanon, PA. There it is, with 2 black NS units and all those smelly trash containers. Wow, I had to wait at a red light with my grandpa and my dad. But at least we're moving. There it is. There it is. Oh man, not another one of these cut things. Woo! I'm glad not to smell those trash trains. But look at that. Hey, I forgot to tell you guys. Those 2 power lines over there, the poles, they got replaced with a utility pole. That's incredible and new. That's not sadly at all. Hey, I'm 3 cars away from the gate. I have to sit there waiting. Come on, trash train, get to the end. I want to go to the cemetery, but where's the end? Come on, Mr. N. Make it. There it is. There's the end. And sorry about this cutoff. I don't know what happened, but it just happens. And the gates go up and the lights turn off. Bye. Once again, I'm back on April 6, 2019. This time, 62 feet. Hey, for the first time, I got to record the entrance leading. To end the finale for my New Year's resolution, I did 4 more close-ups one more time, and from then on I decided to film on the grass, so that way it is not too dangerous of filming too close. This is dangerous and way too close, but it's moving very slowly. Oh man. Oh, and my camera blurred for just about a second. Just 2 boring locomotives. Boring. This is so boring. I can hear the horn. I'm I'm just gonna move on. Bye. Bye. The next morning, it's April 5th, and what do you know? I had a faster 62 feet train, but this time in a safe spot. That's perfect and safe. Now you can see the whole train. Look at the lights. Ditch lights flash side to side. And it's just two locomotives. And hey, but at least it's not boring after all. Okay. That's all the trash trains I have. Well, that's all I have. That's all I have for now. I must go. See ya. That's it. Hopefully I'll get hopefully I'll get hopefully I'll get more. Hopefully I'll get more. Bye. Bye. Well, I still haven't seen many trash trains after April 2019. Thank goodness they run at night and super early in the morning because I don't want to smell all that smelly garbage. Woo. But but they were great, especially the one with the barcode. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week with a smile. This smile's so great. I gotta go. See you next week.